Good morning, student. Good morning, class 4. Student, today is your English class and take out a lesson number 10, verb times and tense. And take out a page number 50. Now see what is written here. Verb. There are what does the verb shows? It shows an actions, denote being, এবং shows a belongings and possession. What is an shows and actions? Actions means যে কোনো কাজ, okay, and denote beings এবং shows belongings. We will study what is verb. Any type of work is called verb. Now see what is written here. Verbs are the doing words that shows an actions. Verbs are the doing words that shows action. যে কোনো কাজ মানে this see what is the boy is doing? He is playing a football. That means he is showing an action, something actions he is showing. Now see, Hari brought a box of honey. Hari bought a box of honey. Here the verb is bought. Okay. Ajay kicked the football. He is Ajay and he kicked the football. Kicked is a verb. Asta baked a cake. Baked is a verb. The word like bought, kicked and baked express actions. They tells us the persons to do things. এই কিছু ওয়ার্ডস আমার কি বোঝাচ্ছে? কোনো কিছু অ্যাকশন বোঝাচ্ছে, তাই না? Yes, it tells that the person or the things can do this. Now see, verb also assert what a person, animals or things is. It denotes being, like Shinu is innocent. How? Shinu is innocent. Now see, the Shonku is it's a Sinu is innocent. What is the verb here? Is a verb here. The mangoes are sweets. The mangoes are sweet. Which one is the verb here? Are is a verb. The dress was good but costly. Which one is a verb? Was. See, the word like is, are, was, were, am help to assist what the person, animals and thing is. কাকে বোঝানো হচ্ছে? সেই পার্সনটাকে বোঝানো হচ্ছে, তাই না? বা কোনো অ্যানিমালস বা কোনো থিংসকে বোঝানো হচ্ছে। নাম্বার 3, some verbs shows a belongings and possession. Belongings means জিনিসপত্র. The cow has 4 legs. The cow has 4 legs. Has is a verb. Tina has a big house. Has is a verb. They have lots of books. Have is a verb. And these are the belongings. এই জন্যে এই ভার্বসগুলোকে বলা হয় auxiliary verb. And we say this verb as a auxiliary verb. Like word like has, have, had shows that what a person, animal or a things possess and some things that belongs to them. যেটা যাদের বা কোনো যার কোনো অধিকার আছে তার প্রতি, সেই জিনিসের প্রতি। Points to remember: a verb is the most important part of a sentence. Obviously it is right. Verb is a very important part of a sentence because without verb we cannot complete a sentence. A sentence cannot be formed without a verb. Therefore, a verb is a word that is used to assist or say something about a person, animal or thing. It asserts what a person, animals or a thing does, is or has. It's very simple. Now see, sometimes verbs can be more than one word. Obviously, it can be more than one word. Like if you say Ajay was playing in the garden. See, here an auxiliary verb, a helping verb and a main verb is added with a ing. That means more than one word is there in a sentence. That means it is a continuous tense. Yes, it is a continuous tense. Hence, was playing is a verb. Hina will be going to the concert. Going for the concert. Here, will be going is a concert. Not like that. Here, এখানে Will be going is a verb. Now see what is written here. Encircle the main verb in the following sentence. You have to encircle the main verb. Which one is the main verb? You have to encircle it. Okay. See, Simran is eating. Eating is a main verb. Okay. And is a auxiliary verb. Abhay was disturbing. Disturbing is a main verb. I am going to the market. Going is a main verb. Am is also is a verb, but is the auxiliary verb. Okay, helping verb. We respect our elders. Here, respect is a main verb. Anju has finished her work. Finished is a main verb. Has is a auxiliary verb. Means helping verb. It might rain tomorrow. Might is a main verb. Kavita and Preeti will visit Delhi tomorrow. Will visit Delhi. That means visit is a main verb and will is a auxiliary verb. Go to the next page. Smriti has finished reading this book. That means reading. Has finished reading. শেষ হয়ে গেছে কি করা রিডিং করা তাই না yes reading his book this book. Children smile for the photograph. Smile for the photograph. Smiled is a verb. They have invited me for party. Invited is a verb. You can speak on this topic. Speak is a verb. They are playing football. Playing is a verb. Divya has 4 pairs of shoes. That means 4 pairs of shoes. Here, pairs of shoes. 4 pairs. That means here is a has is a verb. The guest will be coming tomorrow. Coming tomorrow. Coming is a verb. Deepa will give her assignment next week. Give is a main verb. Now see, there are 3 types of tense, like one is a past tense, next one is a present tense, and third one is a future tense. Past tense means which is already gone, but which the work which has already completed. Like অতীতে যে কাজটি শেষ হয়ে যায় বা অতীতে যা কিছু কাজ থাকে সেটা past tense. Present means বর্তমান. At present, what I am doing, what is done every day, that is. And future, what will be doing, but what will we do in the future. Now see, verb also tell us the time, the tense of the actions in the sentence. There are 3 tenses: past, present and future. Okay. Look at the picture. Ankit ate the cake. Look at the picture and read the sentence given below. Ankit ate the cake. Ankit ate. Ate is a verb. Ankit eats the cake. Eats is a verb. Ankit will eat the cake. Will eat is a verb. Now see. Here some of the explanations are there. Ate represent past tense, which means that the action has already taken place. Which means that the action has already taken place. Means it is in a past form. Eta otite chole geche. That's why it is a ate. The past form of eat is ate. Eats represent the present tense, which means that the action is presently happening. Will it represent the future tense. Will it eta future tense ke bujhano hoy, which means that the action will happen in the coming time. Jeta ekhono ashini, ashbe, will come. Now see some of the present tense, past tense and future tenses are there. I will read only some of them, of the first 5, and rest of the will be the homework for everyone to study at home, and I will ask in the next class. Like see, what is the present form of ask? মানে জিজ্ঞাসা করা, asked. And future tense, will ask. Grow, grew, will grow. গ্রো মিন্স বেড়ে ওঠা, গ্রিউ মানে বেড়ে উঠেছিল, অ্যান্ড উইল গ্রো মিন্স বাড়বে। অ্যাট্যাক, অ্যাট্যাক্ট, will attack. Hear, heard, will hear. Begin, began, will begin. Okay. Now see next one. Hit, hit, will hit. Bite, bit, will bit. Blow, blew, will blow. Invite, invited, will invite. Join, joined, will join. অনেকে বলবে স্যার এখানে ফিউচার টেন্স আমরা তো আগে পড়েছিলাম প্রেজেন্ট পাস্ট পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল, বাট এটা প্রেজেন্ট পাস্ট ফিউচার। ওকে, now see, go to the exercise number 2. Identify and write the tense of the sentence. First of all, identify করতে হবে which one is the tense, and then write the tense of a sentence. Rohit wears a cap. Which one is the tense here? Wear. It is a Rohit wears. That means it is a present tense. They built a multi-story building. They built. Now see, it is a past form. Built a past form, built. Our exam will start. Will start is a future tense. The parcel will arrive by courier. Will arrive is a future tense. Jit likes to watch cricket match. Likes is a present tense. Sumita finished her meal. Finished, ed means past tense. We did not go to Manali. We did not go. It's a present tense. Hari bakes delicious cake. That means present tense. My father is a strong man. That means it is a present tense. She wakes up at 6 a.m. every morning. That means it is also in a present tense. See, number exercise 3. What is written here? Fill in the blanks with appropriate verb form. Present, past, future. We have to write the past form of ask and future. এখানে কিছু fill in the blanks আছে। এই fill in the blanks গুলো তোমরা homework থাকবে বাড়িতে। Not only that, exercise 1, 2 and 3 will be the homework for everyone. You have to write it and show it to me in the next class. Okay? Okay student, I have completed the whole lesson. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can ask me in the class, and this will be the homework for everyone to write it in the book or also in the copy also. You can also write in the copy or also in the book and show it to me in the next class. Okay student, bye bye everyone, have a nice day.